Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let me quickly give you guys a brief background of how I was tricked out of my office. So on this first day, as normal, I came to work, and there's this ministry of health that normally come to audit our company or inspect our company every quarter. So they had come, I think 2 weeks before, giving their report, and everything was good. So they left. So next one, we're expecting them in the next quarter. But this day, this group came and was like, that we are due for inspection. I was like, no, we are not due. So long story short, I showed them the report that their other colleague did and all that, and the date they came and all that and all that. And they were like, okay, that's fine. They will go and see us in the next quarter. I was like, okay, fine, see you guys. They left. Just some hours later, our risk manager called me that the Ministry of Health guys came back. I was like, why? He said he doesn't know, that the guy is at the gate talking what he doesn't understand. I should come, let's go and see him. So I brought out the document again, the report they gave us the last time they came. And all their, I came with the report and everything to show him that, why did you come back? I thought we've settled this. Only for me to come out and boom. Enjoy it, guys.
Okay. This is when I was marching out with the crew. Oh, she's on her way. Tell her say she come. Tell her say she come.
She don't know.
Sir?
You never tell her.
She's outside.
Sir? You never tell her. They don't know.
Very dirty looking thing. Something I'm talking to food. I'm talking all the way from Scotland.
All the way from London.
Commander, show them the leg.
that club dance.
Collect your cake now. Collect the cake. Oh, the dance. Collect the cake. The dance now. Nah, the dance.
Espera, lo troviamo.
Nah, this cake makes sense. I carry the birthday for head though.
The birthday celebration of Stella. As you can see, everybody's happy. Everybody's happy and eating and smiling.